So today is all about property management, and I'm on my way into a property that we've been managing for now about 2 years. We acquired this property from another company landlord, and we took over the management of it. And we've been talking to the landlord back and forth and stuff, and I'm telling you, Lord have mercy, this has been a transition that's been working on us. But I want to give you a couple of quick tips. First of all, when you are getting into property management, whether you're just starting out or you're buying property, you're renting it and all that kind of stuff, get your own tenants. And I say that because when you acquire tenants from other landlords and other property management companies, you're getting their problems. They're selling that property for a reason. And a lot of times it has to do with either they don't want to take care of it anymore, or the tenants are horrible, or they're losing it. I mean, just all kind of scenarios. But this particular one, the guy wanted to get out of it, period, because he didn't want to deal with property in the area anymore. And he just wanted to do some other things in his life. So we took over the management. And ever since we've been managing it, it has been a headache for sure. And I'm a little afraid to go in here, and I'm telling you, I'm afraid to go in here for the simple reason I know what it looked like when we went and took the look of it not too long ago, and it was not a good sight. And I mean, we've had all kind of complaints and issues with people doing the work over there, just all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned. We're getting ready to go and walk in there, and now the clients or the people that we represent, they want to go in and they want to rehab it and fix it up and make it look all nice and pretty and put it on the market. So that is my job. Okay, so stay tuned as we do this tour. Don't know what it's gonna look like, I promise you in advance, but we'll see. All right. This is what the tenant left in the property. Just tons of nasty mattresses, all of that. And as you can see, this dumpster is filled to capacity, filled extremely to capacity. And it's still back here. The lady and her family moved out in the end of March, and so we did not expect all this stuff to be in this property when they left. But they left, as you can see, tons of mattresses, whole bunch of junk, nasty. The guy that was in there cleaning it up stated it was maggots and just all kind of stuff in the property, and it was very, 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 very nasty. This is part of the business, property management, clean out. We have a whole staff and crew that does their clean out, our clean outs for us. And this is just another example of why it's so important, number one, to keep in touch with your tenants to make sure that everything is up to par, and to make sure they leave everything out, because this right here, this mess that they left, cost us $1,500 to have cleaned out and removed. And as you can see, the dumpster is overflowing, so we're going to obviously be charged for that as well. And so this cost us more than we anticipated paying here. But yeah, so now we're getting ready to go in the property, just waiting for the guy to bring us the keys so that we can go in and see what he's done. But yeah. Look how fun it is. Certainly does look much better. Cleaned out.
You like this, bro. Put something on this, but the real floor's up under there.
Okay.
Probably be better to go back down to that real floor. This is like a linoleum or something.
Anthony said he does floors too.
You do? Yeah, then you can see the hardwood up under there.
Yeah, it probably be better to take that up and just redo the floors.
Yeah.
Obviously need new doors too, so.
Yep.
Hey man, get some little bugs down there.
Look nasty.
And man, it seemed like I don't know whether it was mental or what. But when I began to spray the water back there, man, I could have swore it felt like they started biting my legs or something. I started spraying back there where they had the wash machine at. Because they had, it was flooding, so they had sewage. It was coming, so I was trying to clean some of it up. And man, it felt like something started biting my legs.
Man.
And like they were saying, we don't like that water.
Right. So you do floors and what else you say?
I do floors like light fixtures.
Right there is linoleum, or is that wood? That look like wood to me.
That's
Oh, that's that
it's the
linoleum.
same thing as in the room.
Oh, sure is. That don't look like that's some floor up under there though. That look like that's the what you call that?
Like regular wood.
A subfloor.
Yeah.
So like to paint the whole place, and then to obviously new light fixtures, the flooring and all of that.
New light fixtures in the paint, each room, and to do the floors.
More plywood or something like
Yeah.
It look like it's not balanced or
that.
sturdy.
Oh no, it's the cross. You know what I'm saying? Up under there,
The joist?
it's cool. The joist is cool.
Okay.
It's just the wood that's up on it. Whether or not if it's rotten, then you can, how to do like that on the nails, go up and down on the nails.
Hey! Hit the like button. I know you see me. Now go on about your business. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So we are going in here to tear some stuff up. I love tearing stuff up. All that nasty stuff still there. Still waiting on them to come get this. All that crap. Look like somebody just throw some more trash in there that's not ours. Leave it out. People think it's their trash can too. go the sledge hammer. Yeah, some bug spray because the people were extremely nasty. And it's all kind of bugs that been manifested up in here. Okay. Okay, he's spraying while I'm in. Dude is crazy. Okay, let's go back in there. He didn't started spraying, and he see I'm up in here. Or at least that don't stink.
You gonna see they going crazy too.
Nasty, nasty, nasty. But all this is coming out right here. All this stuff in the kitchen is coming out. The flooring, all of that. Contractor started this week. Our team is coming to get things replaced. Knocking that wall out right there. So obviously we're getting new stainless steel appliances, new kitchen. It's a nice eat-in kitchen, so it's enough room. Doing is examining before we. What do it look like?
Normal cabinetry, Nick. Trying to see if there's some screws. Just go ahead and start hitting them.
Damn, one just flew on me.
Yeah, they flying.
Do what? Ooh. Them some old. Whoa. Oh. Yes. Okay, day 2 of just that being done. I saw these open and I didn't realize he coming over. All right.
I mean, that's a better look already. Looking through here, and
Right.
you can be able to see all that. That beautiful little couch right there, and that.
Hey there, are you interested in becoming a realtor, or are you interested in learning more how to be profitable in real estate? If so, click the link in my description below and pick up this workbook today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll know when I upload another video. Be blessed.